cleanse this jiva. What is meant by that? Nirupadhikaranam. Jiva being pointed out, free from upadhi. Tvam-pada shodhanam, tat-pada shodhanam, tvam-pada shodhanam. Exact ascertainment of tvam, you, the jiva, and tat, Ishvara, tat Ishvara. So here, it was tvam-padartha shodhanam vardhan. For which what was done? That Atma is avasthatraya sakshi. What do you mean by avasthatraya sakshi? What is avasthatraya? See, we undergo the three states of experiences. Jagrata avastha, waking state. Swapna avastha, dream state. Sushupta avastha, this state. One principle that knows all these three states, each and everything that is experienced in all these three ways, the one common denominator. And what is that? Chaitanya Tattva. That one Chaitanya Tattva which knows all these things, Sakshi, makes you know directly the three states of experience. Avasthatraya Sakshi. Again, it is Panchakosha Vilakshanaha, distinct from Payushi, free from Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, Anandamaya Kosha. The divide of all these, free from all these. Again, Asanga, unconnected to either the koshas, avasthatrayas, or features of these. So that is asangatyena. This is having pointed out Atma, Tvam, you, Jiva, in reality, free from upadhi. Now, what is being done is, see, to gain moksha, merely knowing Atma is not going to help. Do you know why? Jagat is there. When Jagat is there, Ishvara is there. I may be so, but I am under the control of Ishvara. And Ishvara is who? Niyamakaha. Niyamaka of what? Karma phala. So, he may put me again, go to hell or heaven, which is better? Both. From the standpoint of your Swarupa, both are the same. It is only wasting the time. Heaven is more dangerous, you know. At least hell थप्पड़ खाने के बाद अक्कल आ जाएगी. So heaven not that way. All you think मजा, you get carried away as such. So no. Of course, from the standpoint of Atma Swarupa, both are bandhana only as such. So this Ishvara is said, according to Karma Phalas, come on, have the Janma Varna transmigration. No. That Ishvara Swarupa is the same as from Atma Swarupa. Both are identical. This knowledge of identity is indispensable. Then only moksha. Actually, once the Tvam-pada Sakshat knowledge is there, Tat-pada Shodhana is a matter of formality only. Why? This is important. Tvam-pada Shodhana is directly known, it's little inquiry, and then both are identical. Why? Tat-tvam asi shuti se. So, but that knowledge is necessary for that now. Tat-pada, which now appears to be endowed with Jagat Tattva, has to be ascertained how Shodhanam, Tat-pada Shodhanam has to be done. That is, Tat-pada, free from the upadhi has to be shown, so that the knowledge of identity between Jiva and Brahma can be directly pointed out. For that, author is now preparing the steps. So he is trying to introduce Jiva Brahma Aikya. Anvaya we have seen Brahma Bhinnatva Vijnanam Bhav. Anvaya to
Anvaya Brahma Bhinnatva Vijnanam Bhava Mokshasya Karanam Yena Budhaihi Advitiyam Anandam Brahma Sampadyate. Again, Brahma Bhinnatva Vijnanam Bhava Mokshasya Karanam Yena Budhaihi Advitiyam Anandam Brahma Sampadyate.
To get freed from samsara sagar, this is the means. What is the means? Karanam. Karanam means here sadhanam means, not cause, but it means the means sadhana. For what? Bhava mokshasya sadhanam means to get freed from bhava. Bhava means samsara. The means to get free from the bondage of samsara. Bhava mokshasya karanam. What is it? Brahma bhinnatva vijnana. Vijnana. Now you know what is vijnana. You may not know what is vijnana, but the meaning of that you know. What is it? Understand correctly. Sakshatkara. What is sakshatkara? Direct cognition. What is direct cognition? Intervening factors are not there. Direct cognition of Atma, so intervening factors are not there. Now you are listening to me. Is it direct cognition? Of course, you are listening to me directly. There is no agent in between. That I agree, but it is not direct. You know why? In between. Now say, I speak. My words come to your ear. Through the ear, it goes to Antakarana. So Shabdakara Antakarana Vrutti takes place. So that is the Sankalpa Vikalpa Atmaka Mana. It goes to Buddhi. Buddhi ascertain. This is the one Acharya is speaking, Viveka Chodhamani. Viveka Chodhamani, such and such stanza is there. Oh, and then you try to understand. Buddhi, understand, because same thing is repeatedly told. So, Buddhi, understand. But that Buddhi understanding also is Antakarana Vritti, illumined, made known by who? Chaitanya Rupa Atma. Between what I speak and Chaitanya Atma, that you know, what are the intervening factors? Ear, Jnanendriya, Antakarana, Mana, Buddhi, is it not? Not Sakshat. Indirect. Like that, who Vivek Chodhamani does Atma, Anatma, Viveka, Anatma, I have understood the principle because of which all this function is Atma, understood or not? Who is inventing? Some agent is sitting there. And who has understood? I have understood. From the beginning of Vivek Chodhamani, not a single class I have missed. I have understood. That you understander is there or not? Agent Hayuda. Understanding instrument, Buddhi is there. Then Mana is there. Jnanendriya is there. Not direct. So that is it. Then Swamiji has now understood. Akhandakara Vritti. I want to knowledge with Akhandakara Vritti. Accepted. Now this Akhandakara Vritti, you know what it does? It removes your ignorance. But it also is an agent. It is a product of what? Antakarana. What is Akhandakara Vritti? Antakarana Vritti, the thought, which is exactly like Atma Swarupa, which is Nirupadhika. Replica of Atma. Atma is this prapancha or not? So Akhandakara Vritti also is the same. In fact, Akhandakara Vritti is the most welcome. I am most welcome, but it is not Sakshatkara. You know why? That vritti also is a product of what? Intervening factor, Antahkarana. It is the most desirable last stage, but up to penultimate stage. At ultimate stage, even that vritti has to go. What is your swarupa? Get directly revealed. Even the intervention of Akhandakara vritti is not there. Leave alone Ahankara. Leave alone the mana, buddhi, jnanendriya. That is Sakshatkara. Till then what is to be done? Shravana, Manana, Swamiji, there is a time for all these things. No time. Wait until you get the time. And if you look here, you have no other option except gaining this knowledge. When you want to gain, that is your option. That is up to you. Either this life or after Kalpantara. But being a jiva, no option is there. Now you decide whether to go marry round or cut short it, etc. Anyway, that's different aspect. So now, Sakshatkara. In that Sakshatkara, what is that? Even the Akhandakara vritti is not there. Until that, it is that is the Brahma Bhinnatva Vijnanam. Vijnanam, you know why? Jnanam has come from Jna Jnayate, Jna Janati. Know to know. When you add V as prefix, its meaning becomes Sakshatkara. That is what can be done. That is what language is. V, Jna, becomes what? Sakshatkara. That's why, so this is according to Sanskrit language, even Bhashyakara has given meaning of that. See, in Mandukya, Vijijñāsitavyam is that, but Bhashyakara is not. So the Neyam, Vidneyam is there, but Bhashyakara has Vidneyam has kept as everything. But in Kenopanishad, Bhuteshu Vichitya Dhiraha. While Vichitya meaning given, Bhashyakara gives that Vijnaya. He doesn't stop there. Afterwards he gives Sakshat Kritya. This is how you have to get the authentic meaning of what is that, because we can, I hope, we can certainly consider Shankaracharya as the one who is authentic in this. So that's so Vijnana. And language also, Vijnani Sakshatkara. So Brahma Bhinnatva Vijnanam Bhava Mokshasya means Bhava Bandha Mokshasya. To get free from the samsara bandha bondage, karanam means, it is the means. Yena means yena vijnanena, by which vijnana sakshatkara, budhai jnanibhi, buddha means jnani, those who have got atma jnana, atma brahma bhinnatva vijnana, budhai Advitiyam Anandam. That Ananda, Sukha Swarupa, Advitiya means Nirbheda, Triputi Rahita. See, generally Ananda we get how? Means experiences and Vishaya with the means of all Indriyas, etc. Is it not? No. Triputis are there. Experiencer, experiencing are there. No. Nirbhedam, Advitiyam, that is what Saksha. There is no experiencer identified with the embodiment is not there. Itself is Ananda Swarupa, Advitiyananda, and itself is what? Brahma. Itself Brahma. Sampadhyate, prapyate, is gained. It is gained as Prapyate. Prapyate. That means one who has discovered oneself to be Brahma gets freed from samsara bandhana. How is it so? One who discovers oneself to be Brahma gets freed from bhava bandhana. Question comes, how is it so? Answer is now being given. Shruti declares so.
ब्रह्मभूतस्तु संसृत्यै विद्वानावर्तते पुनः विज्ञातव्यमतः सम्यक् ब्रह्मा भिन्नत्वमात्मनः। अन्वय ब्रह्मभूतः तु विद्वान् पुनः संसृत्यै न आवर्तते। अतः आत्मनः ब्रह्मा भिन्नत्वं सम्यक् विज्ञातव्यम्। Again, ब्रह्मभूतः तु विद्वान् पुनः संसृत्यै न आवर्तते। अतः आत्मनः ब्रह्मा भिन्नत्वं सम्यक् विज्ञातव्यम्।
Brahmabhutah, one who has become Brahma. What do you mean by become Brahma? Brahmavid Brahma eva bhavati. See, the one who has got Brahma Sakshatkara discovers oneself to be nothing but Brahma. Brahmabhutah, Sridi Vidwan. Tu is there to show the contrast from the Ajnani person. Jnani, who has got Brahma, the one who has become Brahma because of Brahma Jnana, Brahma Sakshatkara, Vidwan. Punaha, further again, Samsrutyai na avartate. Samsrutyai means samsaraya, to get subject to samsara, janma marana, this transmigration. Na avartate, does not return. You have to find out how. How you return to samsara? Samsara means what? Janma marana rupa samsara. Punarjanma, how you get? Karma phala. Karma phala, who did the karma phala? See, karma phala belongs to whom? One who is the doer. Who is the doer? Who is the doer? Can Atma Brahma do karma? Why not? Nirupadika. Can the Upadi, Deha, Mana, Buddhi, Indriya, on their own, can they do? Why? Jada. Then who is the doer? In between the imposter, Ahankara is the doer. He is answerable for Janmamana Rupa transmigration. In the wake of knowledge, Ahankara gets ended. When Ahankara is ended, where is that? The one who is subject to Janmamana Rupa samsara is no more there. So that is there. And therefore, Atma, Akarta, Abhokta, Deha, Mana, Buddhi, Jada, also Akarta, Abhokta. In between the Ahankara is there. It is destroyed. So what is that? No objective. You know that Ramana Maharshi used to give an example. Olden days, marriages were celebrated for 3-4 days. The groom's party or paraphernalia used to go to bride's house. And all it used to happen. So while going, those days, we used to walk. The party was going on. In between, a youngster slowly crept in. old and so many are there who know that because distant relatives and all that, everyone doesn't know who is it. He crept in. And when they reached the village where the bride's party there, the bride's father comes with all humility because bridegroom's party is all humility, आइए बैठिए, and all make arrangement for staying at different houses. They are put at one place, they can't get there. This youngster also was there. They don't know who the youngster is, nor many of the people here also don't know. Maybe some relative, very smartly dressed, very smart fellow. So that is right. Now, next day onward, one by one the item is to start. It's not straight away the marriage is right. So many things are there. This youngster used to go to bride's father and used to tell, look, they are unhappy with the hospitality you have extended. You have to give such big gifts, etc. So they are even thinking of breaking the marriage. You see the plight of bride's father. He became a, don't worry, I will manage. But you give minimum these things. He used to sleep and used to go to groom's father. He tells, what is this? Yes, your son may be government officer. Olden days, government officer means a great person. Your son may be government officer, but do you know who the girl is? Such a rich person's daughter. Can you imagine any time to get such a rich person's daughter as a daughter-in-law? They are not happy with your daughter. And like that he used to squeeze from. Like this 3 days, this fellow was squeezing from both the parties. Finally, 4th day, yena kena prakarena, marriage was over. Big burden was both missing and burden is over. Both in-laws were sitting for a cup of coffee by the time the youngster was passing. The bride's father asked, who is he? The groom's father said, who? Who is he? He doesn't belong to us. He is not you. Does it not belong to you? No. He overheard. Where is he? He packed up all that he has made from both the parties, disappeared. Which party he was belonging to? Neither. But he posed as belonging to both. Now come on, tell Ahankara belongs to which party? You say Atma party, Atma is Nirupadhika, Ahankara is Sopadhika. It cannot belong to Atma party. If you say Antakarana, Jada party, Ahankara is Sachetana and this Buddhi is Achetana. Which party? Ahankaraha vicharam na sarate, like modern minister. Like modern minister, Ahankara cannot stand scrutiny, cannot stand inquiry. So that's what it is. So that is the case. This Ahankara gone, Brahma is what? Not Mukta, Nitya Mukta is discovered. Don't think at no time bondage was there, but it was assumed that I am bound. So that Brahma Bhava means moksha. Brahma Bhutastu Punaha Samsruthe Na Avartate. Therefore, what is to be done? Ataha Pavadidam Atmanaha Brahma Bhinnatvam. That is identity of Atma with Brahma. Abhinnatvam. Abhinnatvam means Ekatvam. Ekatvam is identity, Abheda, Abhinnatvam, Samyak Vijñātavyam. One should thoroughly know. Why Samyak? It should be up to Sakshatkara. No vagueness must be there. Not simple, based on reasoning. Because see, from reasoning also you can conclude, I must be free from etc. That is Paroksha Jnana, useful. but it is not aparoksha jnana. So this samyak vijnatavya. Now, Atma and Brahma are identical. Atma, free from all unrest, upadhi was sure. But one may think, this Brahma is mixed with the Prapancha. Prapancha is sopadhika, nirupadhika, sopadhika. When Prapancha is sopadhika, then what will happen? I discover myself to be this Prapancha, Brahma, and you invite, at least earlier it was my mini samsara, now not even maxi samsara, total samsara, because why? Prapancha is so vast as such. Is it that way? No. This Brahma is this Prapancha. Why? Prapancha is Nitya, and therefore this Prapancha, the state of Brahma, totally free from Prapancha, is being now established.
Satyam jnanam anantam brahma vishuddham param svatasidham nityanandaikarasam pratyak abhinam nirantaram jayati. Advaya. Satyam jnanam anantam vishuddham param svatasidham nityanandaikarasam pratyak abhinam brahma nirantaram jayati. Again, Satyam jnanam anantam vishuddham param svatasidham nityanandaikarasam pratyabhavinnam brahma nirantaram jayati.
This is what Brahma is. It is Satyam. You have heard this phrase, Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Taking Brahmavadi. Yo Veda Nihitam Guhaya Parame Vyoma. Satyam Jnanam Anantam. What is Satyam? Avitatham. Satyam means avitatham. Vitatham means that which is subject to become otherwise, that which changes. Na vitatham, that which is not subject to change, that is what is called as Satyam. You take the word Jagat, is it Satyam? Jagat is always subject to change. Vikaras are there. What is that principle which is not subject to change, which exists at the same time not subject to change? Chaitanya. Pure awareness principle, pure consciousness, Chaitanya Atma only is Avitatham. Satyam means it is like this. That which Satyam means, Avitatham means Avikari. Avikari means that which is not subject to destruction. Kalatrayeti badharahitam. Small tablets can make. They are very small, but so those who will disturb the series must be teaching it under a tree. Teaching is going under a good thing. Under natural surroundings. Natural surroundings with so many fans moving over there. It is. That means. Satyam Kalatrayeti Badharahitam. That which is Kalatrayeti, past, present and future. Badharahitam, that which has no distraction. And that is what Satyam. Jnanam. Jnanam means Swayam Prakasham. Here Jnanam means Jnapti Swarupam. Knowledge principle. Not knowledge of something, but knowledge principle. So that is Jnanam. Anantam. Anantam is free from all Parichindata. What are the Parichindata? Desha Parichindata, Kala Parichindata, Vastu Parichindata. That which is free from Desha Parichindata means that which is not circumscribed by space. It is not something born in space. Desha Parichindata is not there. Kalataha Aparichinnam, that which is not born in time, that which has no beginning, no end. See, a thing that is born begins and when it dies, ends. Parichinna, limited by time. This is something which is Kalataha Paricheda Shunyam Aparichedam. Vastutaha Aparichedam Paricheda Shunyam. Vastutaha, a given object is different from other objects. Microphone is different from the stand. Stand is different from table. Table is different from the cloth. Cloth is different from the book. Book is different from the chair. Chair is different from the fan. So this was one vastu object limits the other. This is not so. You know why? It is the very basis of all vastus. How is the basis of vastu? In the chip existence aspect in all the vastus, therefore not distinct from any vastu. No vastu can limit that. So vastutaha aparichinnam, that is anantam. Brahma. Why? Vyapakatvat, Nityatvat, Advitiyatvat Brahma. Brahma means the big. What is that big? That which is Sarva Vyapi. Then that which is Nityatva. Again, Advitiya, there is nothing other than that Brahma. Vishuddham. Visheshena Shuddham. Totally pure. Pure means what? Impurity are not there. Impurities can be of two types. One inherent impurity, other adventitious impurity. Inherent impurity, for example, a body. Body by its nature is filthy only. If nothing, sweat is enough to make your body foul. Enough is that. So that is that aspect. So that is. Then you went for a jogging on a village road. When you return, all bodies plastered with not talcum powder, dust powder. So that is. It is what? Something which has come from outside. Vishuddham. Vishuddham means totally free from impurities on its own or from external sources. No impurity. Vishuddham. Param. This is Maya-titam. Beyond the Maya. Free from Maya. Independent from Maya. Param. Swata-siddham. That which does not depend on anything else for its existence and knowledge of. For satta and spurti, the one who does not depend on anything else. For example, for our existence as an individual, On what all factors we depend? To begin with, Panchamahabhutas. Panchamahabhutas, Trigunas. Trigunas, Maya, Prakriti. Maya, Prakriti on Brahma. Is it not? The body has got the dependence. So far. Knowledge aspect. On what all do we depend? Jnanendriya, Mana, Buddhi, then Chaitanya. Is it not? No. This is what it is. Swatasthidham. Self-existent. Swatasthidha. Self-luminous. Swaprakasha. Jnati Swarupa. Swatasthidham. Swatasthidham. Nityanandaikarasam. Always Ananda Swarupa. Nityananda. We have got Ananda, but what type of Ananda? Mixed with sorrow. Our Ananda. No, don't think that. See, we don't get happiness, we do get joy, etc. But it is mixed with, this is what? Dukkha asprishta. It is totally free from sorrow. Do you know why that sorrows are possible? Where upadhi is there, sorrow is possible. Body is there, sorrow is possible. Indriyas are there, sorrows are possible. Mana is there, sorrow is possible. Buddhi is there, sorrow is possible. Ahankara is there, sorrow is possible. Ajnana is there, nothing but sorrow is there. Is it not? Dukkha samsprishta. That which is free from all upadhi is nitprapancha. So therefore what it is? Nityananda Eka Rasa. Nityananda means free from sorrow. Eka Rasa means there is nothing other than Ananda. Ananda and Ananda alone. Nityananda. Then where is where we have to hunt for that? Pratyagabhinnam Abba. Great relief. Nobody can claim it. Pratyak abhinnam. Abhinna means identical with Pratyagatma, the Jiva Swarupa. Means what is it? You can claim by right. How come? Individual, as an individual, of course, individual names depend on many factors. Older days slaves will be there. Modern days, modern slaves are there. Do you know how? Higher the education, higher the salary, greater the slave. Huh? Yes. All you see these MBAs, etc. I told you, they have no personal life. Higher and poor means no personal life. So that is how it is. So that is what I call them as modern slaves. Really? I found poor fellows, no personal life. Money don't ask at all. Always in terms of lakhs and crores only. Lakhs and crores only. But nothing. Going early. If holiday is that, this fellow will not get up even up to 11 hours. But otherwise, by 6:30, 7, he is on the hill. And by the time he returns and sleeps, it may be 11:30, 12:30. You see, they should think twice before they set their priority. Is it money is everything? Money is necessary. Without money, you can't survive. You know, they say, Sai Baba says, money is like shoes. Chappal. How? Why is it compared to shoes? If shoes are tight, you will have hell of it. Very biting shoes. You can't. Like that, no money, poverty means curse. Poverty is the greatest curse. Now lots of money is like a loose shoe. A grandchild wearing grandpa's shoe. It is weakness. It is weakness. So therefore what should be done? Your shoes must be fit. Pakka fit. Means it is a joy. So like that, money must be up to the necessity. More nuisance, less cost. So that is what it is. It is necessary. Without money you can't survive at all. Right? So that is, but what is the modern medicine? Money. At any cost. Any cost. I have heard many doctors, as the practice increases, I don't know. I heard one doctor say, now elderly say, when we are young, we are reading novels. Now they have crossed 70, etc. So there is no time at all because there is no time at all. So like this, no, it has to be that means. See, that's why Purusharthas should be balanced. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, and priority for moksha. Why this bias? Why bias without moksha? Because refer to second, third verse of Vivekananda. Jantuna Narajanma Durlabha. Human embodiment is rare. We take the things for granted, but Shankaracharya said not from his pocket, based on the Vedas. Having got the human embodiment, we have got a duty towards ourselves. If we don't discharge that duty, then the next human embodiment comes, Bhagavan only knows. And with karma, dharma, sayoga, even when the next embodiment, human embodiment has come, what is the guarantee that opportunity is to take to Atma Jnana is going to be, if it can be anybody's, yes. Therefore, as far as this is concerned, there is no postponement. Dharma, artha, because you are born as human being to the practical level, dharma, artha, kama will have to be taken to. But priority is for what? Moksha. This is Shastra. This is our wishful thinking is not. Otherwise, generally what happens, suppose when you take to Vedanta, see, there are people who advise you. Look, you have to discharge your duties. Discharge your duties. And you know what is the age? 75. And what is discharge your duties? Babysitting. So you have to do babysitting. They expect, because they want to go to office. So they want to go to office. So discharge your duties. This duty never ends. Again, you have duty towards yourself. What the duty? Being born as human being. I told you, but suppose Maharaj, Puja Swami Dayanji, he was staying at Uttarakhand and he was preparing the manuscript of Gita commentary by Swami Chinmaya. And he was working somewhere and he has taken leave. And he has decided to dedicate life for this, but totally finally he has not yet come out of it. So he was there for months, 6 months or so he was at Uttarakhand. And Tapon Maharaj was by the side of Tapon Maharaj, Kutiyar, who was there. And 6 months were getting over, he had to return. Now, elderly Mahatma and the Guru's Guru, he has to take leave of who? Tapon Maharaj. He is not that easy, though he is very close, he is not that easily available. The only time to catch him is evening walk. Evening walk, he would say. So that day he was returning from evening walk. He went and stood at this thing. That is what it says. Suppose Maharaj is coming, all sadhus at a furlong distance with folded hand they used to stand. That reverence he used to command. Okay. So he stood, and when he came near, Maharaj ji, I am going. किधर जा रहे हो? ड्यूटी है. ड्यूटी मीन्स ज्वाइनिंग ऑफिस. ड्यूटी. हाँ ड्यूटी है. देखो बहती ही है. ड्यूटी है. भागीरथी. डायरेक्ट कॉल भागीरथी. देखो ड्यूटी है. बहती ही है. So when the duty is going to stop. So like that, other duties are relative duties. This duty is absolute duty. Because once this chant slips off from the hand, you have to order other embodiment. Do that you can't order. It is programmed there. And when it comes, God knows what all other responsibilities are there. So that way, then बहुत कुछ है ना. Pray. Bhagavan sent SOS call to Bhagavan. He will find a way out. Nothing is impossible for Parameshwara. He will help us. But you set it as a goal. This life, nothing short of this life, Atma Jnana. That's what will happen. You know, have you seen this sales budget of big companies? They project the sales of it. Now, this year, 5,900 crores business. How much projected last year? 4,900 crores of it. How much achieved? 99 crores. Why? If you set a high target, at least you will get 99 crores. Otherwise, you will not get 9 crores also. So you have to project high. So that means in your effort to gain that, at least you do something. Otherwise, 9 crores target, 9 लाख भी नहीं हो जाएगा वो. So set the target. येन केन प्रकारेण come whatsoever. This life, I will say goodbye for this world, never to return. In between send SOS. SOS calls to whom? Paramatma. He is waiting for that. He has no other job. But he says, मेरा SMS पर कोई SOS न call. Even though toll free, not only toll free, cell phone free. Say, look, you make a toll free SMS, you have to have purchase a cell and have a network. This is what? Cell phone free SMS, SOS call. But nobody does that. So what can be done? Bhagwan also says, Ayyo, there, even what is my karma? Ayyo, there karma, there prarabdha, he will say. So therefore say, that is pratyaga bhinnam, that which is not something yonder, not you have to go to Kailas Manas Sarovar and do pradakshina, keeping a 2 lakh bank balance, etc. And this fellow has got health such that 1 degree centigrade the temperature for he starts sneezing. And there in that cold where both frostbite and this one sunstroke are simultaneous. Then you can get sunstroke here on the head and frostbite there on the shoes. And this fellow, how can he serve? Somebody asked him, Yoga Shishtakra. They say, how many have got some of the context of Kailas Manas case? How many have got desire that somebody raise the hand? And he said, he has made provision for money also. And this fellow, every 6 months takes antibiotics for the cold and the cough. I told him, don't be foolish. Don't be foolish. You use that money for a better purpose. So don't be foolish to go there, etc. So like that. किधर है ये परमात्मा? प्रत्यग भिन्नम. whatever you call as I, whatever you call as samsari jiva, that in reality is who? This Parabrahma, this Satyam Jnanam Brahma, the Pratyayika Vedam, Nirantaram Jayati. Nirantaram Jayati, always trying. Yes, this is the phrase, So and so Mahatma, this is Bhattadipati, Jai, Jayati, he says. So and so, we have got big appendages are there. So, what is that? 1,108 छोटा सा लो, 1,008 बड़ा सा लो, and this is Jayate in the phrase. Even Kundali kaha Jayate Sutaram, you know what is that? It means the phrase excel. It means, meaning is Sarvotkarshena Vartate. Sarvotkarshena Vartate. Excel, Parabrahma excel. Can there be anything else which can excel Parabrahma? So that is Nirantaram Jayati. In fact, I was wondering, I heard this phrase many times, Jayate, etc., especially for Mahatma, deities also. For Rathotsava, etc., they loudly say, Jayate, Jayate, Jai Jai is okay, that's all. I said victory, not victory. Excel. So that excel. Sarvotkarshena Vartate. Now here, one of the description of Brahma was Anantam. And we are seeing the meaning of Anantam. What is the meaning of Anantam? Deshataha aparichinna, kalataha aparichinna, vastutaha aparichinna. That vastutaha aparichinna, free from objectivity, object-wise limitation, that aspect is further highlighted.
Sadidam paramadvaitam Swasmadanyasya vastuno bhava Nayanyarasti kinchit samyak Paramatha tattva bodhehi. Advaya Swasmat anyasya vastunaha abhava idam sat param advaitam Paramartha tattva bodhehi anyat kichit samyak na hi asti. Again, swasmat anyasya vastunaha abhava idam sat param advaitam paramartha tattva bodhehi anyat kinchit samyak nahi asti.
See next time. Om